Garishma ji.
I've had fabulous results ever since joining Jyoti ma'am. So, like, I've just taken the leap of faith, and I really would urge everyone to please go in for the abundance workshop. It has been like an amazing eye opener for me, and so many small things. Like, ma'am, I have been the kind of a person who needs everything to be done, but oh, I am never like a very timetable person ki abhi ye karna hai, abhi wo karna hai. But all your techniques have helped me become like, so much more disciplined without that feeling of that, oh, I have to do this. I actually look forward to do it in a more fun manner. And the most amazing thing that has happened to me is like, actually after joining the course, I mean, kitna 5 day ka course tha, but I already enrolled myself for another program and I've already started earning my own
Earning
money.
out of
So
it.
guys, जिसको भी करना है, please, like, just go for it. it
And this is
it,
the
it is
first time you
super
are earning,
valuable.
na? पहली
This
बार
is the
earning कर.
first time. This has been my, like, my wish forever kind of a thing, that I wanted to earn my own money. But I never saw a way. I never had that confidence. I have been a hardcore housewife ever since I got married. So I had never earned a rupee of my own. And
Now
now
you're
I'm
asking
very
money, na?
confidently charging. Yes, yes, very
Yeah.
I say comfortably, ma'am. You have changed. Wo self-worth is like, next level. And even this, what wish I'll just point out. So yeah, that is also an added thing. वो चिंदीगिरी तो एकदम ऐसे निकल गई है लाइफ से, ऐसे आराम से सबको सबको मलाई बांटते फिरो, तुम भी खुश रहो, kind of a thing. So thank you very much for the complete makeover. Thank you.